Hi guys, and welcome to learn Chinese in easy and funny way. I am Abdurrahman, and before start the lesson, if you want to support me, you can subscribe and click the ring button so you will be informed when I share a new video, and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. In this way, you can support me too much, guys. Thank you for now, and don't forget to the card section, I will ask characters' meaning and their tones. And here we have a dialogue, and we have just one new words here. May Gordon. This one is May Gordon is United States. May Gordon means American. May Go America. May Gordon American. So if we add run after country names, for example, Tuarchi means Turkey, Tuarchi Tuarchiran means Turkish people. Like this. Okay, first I will read the dialogue and translate it. Later I will write sentence here. First sentence, 我不认识那个人。我 me 不认识，认识 no 不认识 don't know. Na that 那个人。个 here major word 那个人。I don't know that person. And 他叫什么？他叫什么？ That person is female. So we understand it from here. 他叫什么? What is her name? What's her name? Here we don't have to write 名字. We can say 他叫什么名字 or 他叫什么. Both sentence meaning same. Here the answer to this question 他叫玛丽. 她叫玛丽. Her name is Mary. Here 她是美国人吗? 她是美国人吗? Is she American? Is she American? Sure. The verb here to be. So we can use the same verb to say or not. For example, if she is not American, we can say 不是. 不是. 她是土耳其人、法国人 blah blah blah. Later we will learn the countries. Sure. Yes. 她是美国人. She is American. Okay. Now let's write the sentences. 我不认识哪个人？那个人？我不认识。I 不认识 don't know. Not that 个人 person. 那个人 I don't know that person. Okay. You also write this sentence like me. And 他叫什么？他叫什么？他叫什么？什么？他叫什么？Normally we add 名字. Okay, I will add here. 名字 won't be 名字。他叫什么名字 or we don't have to add名字。打叫什么 is same meaning. What's her name? 打叫什么 What's her name? 她叫玛丽 right here. 她叫玛丽。她叫玛丽。她叫玛丽。Her name is Mary. Mary means Mary. 她叫玛丽。Her name is Mary. Okay. Here 她是美国人吗？她是 Here may looks a little complicated, but it's so simple. Watch me carefully. First, we have two dots. Later, I will write Wang, Wangland Wang here, this part. Okay. Later, I will write Da way Da. So it becomes May, two dots, later Wang, and Da is looks like this. For example, don't write like this. It doesn't look like good. This part must be it's here like this. 美国 and 国 also we write this this it looks like one, but before writing this part we are doing this later this and close the square 美国 and run is simple, you know that run 美国人 American, and here all of you know this character ma. We may use this character to make yes no question. 她是美国人吗 Is she American? So sure, yeah. Okay, I will write here. Sure. We use sure to say yes because the verb in the question is sure. Sure here to be. For example, if I ask you, Nilaima, will you come? Or you can answer just like lie or bulai. If you say lie, it means yes. If you say bulai, it means no, I won't come. So if the verb change, this must be changed. And should also, it means yes, but later we will learn that. For now, the verb in the question, you can answer with short answer with that verb, should or lie. Did you learn another verb for now? I don't remember, but later I will tell that again. And sure, 他是美国人。他是美国人。他是美国人。国人。She is American. She is American. 她是美国人. Okay, guys. I hope the video helps you, and thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you, guys.